Ladies and gentlemen, Director of Public Relations for Jaguar Land Rover Canada, John Lindo.
We're now very excited to show you a car that is making its Canadian debut and one we've been eagerly waiting for, the Jaguar F Pace SVR. Jaguar F Pace SVR takes the World of the Year, the World Design Car of the Year, puts a 550 horsepower supercharged V8 under the hood, with 502 pound-feet of torque, making this a true mashup of Beauty and the Beast in one machine. A top speed of 283 kilometers an hour and a 0 to 100 time of 4.3 seconds, this is a true Jaguar driving experience. High-performance braking system, switchable active exhaust system, and quad tailpipes. It also features a unique functional body kit including modified bumpers, hood vents, spoiler, fender, and fender vents. SVR-tuned electronic active rear differential, coil suspension, and steering calibration are all part of this incredible offering from our Special Vehicle Operations Program. The Jaguar F Pace SVR will be in retailer showrooms and of course the Canadian press fleet this summer and will start at $89,900. And of course, we do have one more vehicle we'd love to tell you a little bit more about, but we can't just yet, the all-new Defender. The Defender is coming to Canada, it will be here in 2020, in retailer showrooms, and of course, on the press fleet for you to drive. Thank you very much, everyone.